I'm Dari Frants, and I'll show you today how to do masking in VideoPad. What is masking actually? Masking is selecting some area on your image or video and applying the effect to this area only, or to all the picture or video except on this area. So let's see. This is our image. We have few toys here, and let's apply, for example, hue effect on this toy only. Let's see. So I drag and drop it onto timeline. Now I am right click, choosing effects, and here in this window we can see next to add effect button, add effect mask button. Let's click on it. And now you see there is a rectangle here, and inside this area or outside, it depends on what will you choose, as mask inside or mask outside. Now it's chosen mask inside, so we're talking about area inside this rectangle. I did left click, and by holding I'm moving this rectangle. We choose the area for applying the effect inside. Okay, so you can see those dots. If you click on it and hold it, you can move them, but you need some time computer to think about. After that, don't do it very fast. But you see those lines in any place. You can click and add a point, and by holding left click of your mouse, sliding, move it where you need. So I will do it like that. I will choose. I will, as I said, computer needs some time. It cannot do it as fast as you can. VideoPad actually needs some time. So the area is selected, something like this. Okay, now, so as I said, you can mask inside. We will apply for this area only our effect if you choose like this, or if you will not choose mask inside, it will be applied for everything but not for this toy. So I'm choosing mask inside, and I'm choosing the effect. Let it be hue effect. So we see we applied it for our toy only. I think it works. So it can be with any other video effect which is in a list of VideoPad video effects. Okay, that's it. Thank you for staying with me, and hope to see you soon. Bye!